Hi, this is just going to be a short video to show you how to navigate the course website. So the first page is the home page, and you'll be able to find everything you need to complete this course. The home page will highlight how to contact me, the course schedule, and the course description. The next tab is the assignments tab. This section will highlight all of the assignments that are required in the course, the module outline, which is right here. Due dates, rubrics, and assignment information will be found on this page. In the weeks section, it will provide you with all the information that you will need to complete each week. Remember that the material for each week will be released on the Tuesday at 9 a.m. and will be due the following Tuesday at 9 a.m. So each week is listed here. Then the resources section will provide you with links to your peers' lab evaluations, and links to group research project slideshows. On the resources tab itself, you will find how-to videos to help you complete assignments and activities, and this navigation video that I'm making right now will also be made available. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out. Thank you.